Welcome everyone. Let's talk about relative maxima and relative minima. These are also known as local maximum and local minimum. Definition: a local maximum is the highest point on a curve within a specific local area of the graph. A local minimum is the lowest point on a curve within a specific local area of the graph. A simple example: a graph is given to us, the function is x cubed minus 3x. I want you to focus on these 2 points, one here and one here. As you can tell, as you can guess from the definition, this is a local maximum and this is a local minimum because this point is greater than the points around it in a specific area, and this is less than the points around it in a specific local area. A note for us, this is the definition. A relative extremum is a relative maximum or a relative minimum. So if you have a local maximum or a local minimum, that point is also a local extremum. These 2 points are also local extremums. A theorem for us to find these extremums, the critical points. Suppose that f is a function defined on an open interval containing the point x0. If f has a relative extremum, which is local max or min, at x0, then x0 is a critical point of f, that is, either derivative at this point will be 0, or f is not differentiable at that point at all. The strategy is, we can tell a strategy from here, we will differentiate the function and we will let it be equal to 0, try to find the roots, and those roots are going to be our critical points. Find the critical points of the given function. This is a polynomial. I can differentiate this everywhere. Let's differentiate. F derivative x is 3x squared minus 3. Let this be equal to 0. 3x squared is equal to 3. Divide both sides with 3. X squared is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to negative 1. So the roots of the derivative is 1 and negative 1, which is also my critical points. Find the critical points of f of x is equal to absolute value of x. I want to see the graph of this function. This is a really famous function, so we should all know what this function looks like. It has a sharp turn at 0, right? Like this. So we will say critical point is x is equal to 0. Why? Because at this point, I don't have derivative. From the definition, it says f is not differentiable at x0 if it's a critical point. This is or, of course, I'm reading the part after the or, so therefore, at this point, I have a critical point. Find the critical points if f of x is equal to x to the power of 2 over 3. I will differentiate this. Derivative is going to be 2 over 3 x to the power of, it's 1/3, which can be written as 2 over 3x to the power of 1/3. I cannot make this equal to 0, right? I know that. Then I'm going to ask myself, do you have any undefined points? Yes, I do, which is critical point x is equal to 0. Why? Because x0 makes the denominator 0, which makes the fraction undefined.